Find out in this video how you can use the Profit First system with your accounting system. Now, if you have not heard about Profit First is a book by Mike Michalowicz. And I will let you know how you can get hold of a PDF copy of the book later in this video. But for now, let's dive in. My name is Annette Ferguson. I am CEO of Annette Co, a UK-based accounting firm. I am a chartered accountant, certified Profit First professional and financial strategist, and we help business owners take home lots more money from their business for them and their families to enjoy. Now, a question I often get asked with Profit First and being a certified Profit First professional is, how do I incorporate Profit First with my accounting system? What do I need to do so that they work together? And the answer is they naturally work together. Many people think that if they're on Xero or QuickBooks or whatever system of accounting that they have, they will therefore not be able to run the teachings in this book. They will therefore not be able to implement Profit First, but instead they will need to change everything they do around their accounting systems, their bookkeeping systems, their control systems. And that is not the case. The beauty of Profit First is that it is a system, a cash management system that can be integrated into any business regardless of the accounting system that you are actually using. So how I want you to think about these things is that you have your cash management system here and you have your transaction recording system here. And both these things need to exist in a business together for a financially healthy business. They are not in conflict with each other. In fact, quite the opposite. Both need to exist simultaneously for financial health and for increased profitability. So the method of cash management that I'm speaking about today, of course, is Profit First. That is a method of cash management. And many businesses don't even have a method of cash management in place, which is why, of course, things can fall over as well. But the method of accounting, transaction recording, bookkeeping, whatever you want to call that, that can be any method you wish, and it will fit in with the Profit First system. Whether you are using spreadsheets or QuickBooks or Xero or Free Agent, it really doesn't matter. I could go on and list all the packages. It doesn't matter, because that is your method of transaction recording and your method of accounting and bookkeeping, and not your method of cash management. So I hope that you can see that these both work together. So if you have come across the book Profit First before, you perhaps had it recommended to you by your coach or a mentor or a business friend, and you're thinking, I can't do this though because it's in conflict with my accounting system, I can assure you that it is not. I urge you to go ahead, dive into the book, to understand it and to get it implemented. If you need a copy and you do not have one, you can head to annetteco.co.uk/pf book in order to download a PDF copy of the core chapters of Profit First so you can get stuck in and get implementing this cash management system. If you don't have a cash management system in your business at the moment, then that means that things are not fully in control when it comes to the cash. So I urge you to choose one and to choose Profit First as your cash management method in your business. Cash management and accounting and transaction management both need to exist. And plugging Profit First into whichever method of accounting system you have will work. Now, another pushback that we sometimes get from people is, well, if I apply Profit First as my cash management system, is that not therefore going to cause a lot of complexity and confusion in my accounting system with all the bank transfers that are happening in there? And the short answer is no, if your bookkeeper or accountant is, quite frankly, any good, it's really, really easy for them to reconcile a few bank transactions. A few transactions that are just movements between bank accounts take about half a second, if that, for your accountant or bookkeeper to reconcile. So this should not cause them any headaches, heartaches, or pain, and it certainly shouldn't cause you any increase in fees as a result of those bank transactions. They take one click for your accountant or bookkeeper to do and are not extra onerous on them. So if you are getting that concern from your accountant or bookkeeper, it's probably because they just don't understand Profit First. They perhaps have not read the book, they just don't get it, and that happens. But please don't think that this is going to be massively onerous on them, because it is not. And you need a method of cash management in your business. So the question would be, okay, if you don't want me to implement this method, what method of cash management do you want me to implement? Because I need a method of cash management as well as a method of accounting transactional management as well. So that would be my suggestion. But like I say, if you have not read the book, I urge you to download that PDF copy. Head to annetteco.co.uk/PF book in order to get that copy. You can jump in and consume, and of course implement as well. If you have any questions around this, if you have any Profit First questions, you know where I am. Take care.